Welcome to another episode of Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. Today's quick close-up is the mission to Saturn MoonSwatch. Well, this is the right way around. It's a very good-looking piece. We've all heard the stories about how terrible the band is, but all in all, it is a good-looking piece. Yeah, it has a really, really nice presentation with that white, well, it's more of a taupe, light tan case, and the panda look with the dark brown subdials, and the rings of Saturn are at the 6 o'clock. The dial has got some very, very good texture, and it's just a nice quartz sports watch.